take that shit. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Did you see that shit? Did you just see that one? No, come back here. Get your ass back here. Run. Yeah. There's only like 6 of us playing that. Your mother's a whore!
You want this cup? Hey? You want this okay?
No, I don't like that controller.
Yeah, this cup.
Nope.
There's 4 of us now.
You want this cup, Sissy?
Fuck you! Oh, and then you're gonna throw a grenade? Or are you gonna kill me more than you already killed me? That makes sense. You son of a bitch! I shot him.
I think it was the guy behind you that shot you.
Oh, what? Oh, tell me there's a fucking grenade right when it goes off. That's gonna help me. Yeah, take that shit. What the hell? Yo, fuck your flash grenade. Shove that thing into your What the hell? Okay, so we started off with 3 people. Do you see how many people? Wow, I just saw. Do you see how many people there are now, though?
Yeah, they always throw people into games.
I hate when they do that shit to me, though, because
You did not see that guy?
Shove it up your ass.
You didn't see that guy?
No, I